Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making chicken with bamboo shoot. First, marinate the chicken in salt, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Heat mustard oil in a pan and fry the chicken pieces till it's golden brown in color. Then fry the potatoes. In the same pan, add onions, chili, and tomato and fry it till it becomes soft. Add in the chicken and potatoes and then stir it. Add salt and black pepper. Cover it for 5 minutes. Now add in the ginger garlic paste and stir it till the raw smell disappears. Add in water, cover it and cook it till the chicken is 80% cooked. Now add the fermented bamboo shoot. Here I have added a tablespoon and a half and stir it and covered it and cooked it till the chicken is nice and tender. And there you have it, chicken with bamboo shoot is done.